Tectonic token is finding it difficult to increase just like other coins. Yeah, they are finding it difficult to pump just like other coins. So many coins have been pumping as Bitcoin is pumping, but for Tectonic token, that is not the same. And in fact, their trading volume in today have really dropped. So like people are removing in their money, fixing in their money where it is working. Okay, the coins that are increasing, of course, when you see coins increasing by 10%, 15% already, and one you are invested, you have your money, is actually not doing well, definitely you want to move your investments to that other investment, because the goal of every investor is to make profits. Profit. It is the major goal. Now, Tectonic token has actually dropped by 16% as of trading volume. That means a lot of people has been selling off. People have been pulling out. But that doesn't mean that everybody wants to pull or the coin is definitely going to fall. No, Tectonic tokens still remain one of the best. But the major thing, like I keep saying it, that is affecting this coin is that they don't have much listening. Only on VPN Finance and Crypto.com. Only these two exchanges that you can buy Tectonic token. Okay, so assume we have so many exchanges, just like bringing in Biggest, bringing in Alban, bringing Hotbit, bringing in Kucoin, bringing Get.io, bringing in different exchanges. Believe it, this coin by now would have been at a very higher level. Okay, but I believe that everything is fine. They are not in a rush. They just want to keep on pushing. These two exchanges have been great. I would say kudos to these two exchanges, especially to VPN Finance, because Tectonic is actually listed under Crypto.com, though Crypto.com still remain one of the top. But for VPN Finance listening this coin and have continued to support this coin, it is amazing to see this coin on VPS. But of course, we believe that many more exchanges will come. As of last month or last 2 months, we saw an exchange listing Tectonic token. We are all happy. But right now, according to CoinMarketCap, it's just VPS Finance and Crypto.com, which means that listening maybe is not fully completed, or they've decided not to work with Tectonic token. But whatever, Tectonic token still remain one of the best small cap coins for now. So let's keep supporting, and let's believe that one day we will see lists of exchanges that must have listed Tectonic token. At least I would expect to see over 20-30 exchanges. They will be lining up and the coin will be pumping. They don't have much zeros, they only have about 6 zeros. So the listing have, wow, a lot of money, killing half of the zeros. That is a lot of money. Money will be flowing. So let's hope for the best, and I believe everything is still fine, and I believe very soon Tonic will surprise us.